Hi, this is Abby with In-Situ. Today, I'll show you how to prepare a VuLink for deployment and configure it for SDI-12 communication. Grab your VuLink and mobile device and we'll walk through it together. Before you start, you'll need your VuLink, a VuLink antenna, batteries, your SDI-12 instrument, a load-bearing universal adapter, and a mobile device with the VuSitu app installed. In this video, I'll be configuring the In-Situ VuLink with the Luft WS all-in-one. To begin setup, locate the QR code on your VuLink. You'll need to log into HydroVu or create an account if you don't already have one. You can create an account by visiting hydrovu.com and clicking Try HydroVu Free. For additional help setting up your account, visit help.hydrovu.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Telemetry tab, click Add a VuLink, and then scan the QR code on your device or enter the code manually. Now that your VuLink has been added in HydroVu, you're ready to power it on. Open the VuLink battery cover and install the batteries. We recommend using lithium batteries for best performance. Once installed, close and securely tighten the battery cover. Next, connect your instrument. To connect the instrument, align the flat edges inside the connector, then push and twist the cable sleeve until it clicks into place. Next, attach the antenna to the VuLink and position it vertically. Make sure the antenna is clear of obstructions for best performance. Press the button on top of VuLink to activate Bluetooth. Now, open the VuSitu mobile app and connect to your VuLink using Bluetooth. Once connected, you'll see the VuLink status screen. Before adding an SDI-12 instrument, set the VuLink warm-up time to match your instrument's requirements. From the VuLink settings menu, tap Power Management. Next, make sure your SDI-12 instrument is configured properly. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to power and connect the instrument, then use the manufacturer's third-party software to make any instrument-specific configuration changes, such as setting the SDI-12 address. Now you can add your SDI-12 instrument in VuSitu. From the Connected Instruments menu, tap Add New, select SDI-12 Instrument, then tap Search when the instrument is found. Tap Continue. Review the instrument information and complete any missing fields. Then confirm the parameter order and units match your SDI-12 instrument. Disable any parameters you don't need and save the configuration. Before deployment, confirm the VuLink status. Verify power is active, SDI-12 is enabled, and there are no errors. You can also verify the instrument status and incoming data in HydroVu. Your VuLink is now configured and ready for deployment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more information, check out the links in the video description to access our manuals and other help resources. Our friendly support team is available to help you with any issues at 1-970-498-1500, option 2.